Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to read data from the files using Java 8 Stream. So instead of using or read all lines, what we will do, we'll use here files.lines. Everything will be same, just files.lines, and it returns a stream. So I'll just copy this stream and paste it instead of list. Let's import it. So we have to import a stream. Everything is same, just data dot for each, and then we will print it, save it, and then we can run. Now you can see we are getting the output here. The benefit of using a stream is basically it's quite fast, and we have a stream, we have parallel stream. Using that you can read large number of files and it will help you a lot to do that. So we have another function, that is files.lines, and then we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching the video.